Sir Crisostomo. You're saying Bloom Gluta and Ultima Stem Plus. Talagang ang before and after.
Bloom Gluta, right?
Yes. So guys, we still have 10 more minutes. Continue to share our link and take advantage of our speaker. And let's all ready to bloom in wellness with Doc Byra. Guys, continue to share our link. We are now 13. So, 10
Dati
more.
umabot tayo ng 50 plus di ba?
Yes
I
po.
think the last time that I did a Zoom lecture, more than 50. Wow.
Oo nga po
Kasi tayo pwede sumugod.
So ngayon, we're still...
Wala magko-confirm.
Yan, we're still inviting.
Anong balita kila Romeo?
Ayan, nadadagdagan naman na tayo.
Babalik daw ulit sila bukas.
Yung left side ng ano kayo. Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Kanina kasi naglakad daw sila ng mga requirements ni Maricar. Sinisingit-singit lang nila yung presentation.
Requirements for what?
Yung business niya, yung bagong business.
Ayan, good evening, Ma'am Rama.
Ginagamit na naman si Siro.
Ma'am Novi. Hi, from saan po sila? Meron akong mga bagong names na nakikita Can we open our cam before we start? Para po makilala. Ayan.
Sweetie, pag nag-start na, bibir pa ako.
Meron tayong mga first-timers. Ma'am Glassy, good evening. How are you? I'm very active.
Hello, good evening, Ma'am Hana.
Ayan, blooming na blooming. Everyday blooming yan. Nakikita ko yan sa Facebook niya. Follower mo ako
Likewise.
Thank you for joining us once again. And continue to share our link and invite pa po natin yung iba nating members. Ayan, si Ma'am Novi from Cavite under Sir Anthony Bobadilla. This is my second time po. Ayan, nadagdagan tayo ng 5. So, still have 5 minutes more. Guys, continue to share our link. I would like to acknowledge ang ating, nag-join si Coach Joey. Good evening, Ma'am Alma. Ma'am Lenny, ayan. Si Ma'am Rama, good evening.
Yan ma'am, si Mama na, si Pakito, naka-on ma'am.
On cam na siya.
Naka-on cam na siya.
Saan si Sir Paquito? Ayun. Andyan po kayo nung ating wellness caravan, no? Umattend po kayo, sir?
Doon sa ma'am, sa event ng Orani, nandiyan na siya.
Ni, opo. Tama, ayan. So, meron pang, admit ko lang po ito, and then we're about to start in 2 minutes more, guys. We're 23. Sana mabot po tayo ng 30.
Bye. Tapos ko yung ulam ni Nat. Baka makain ng aso. Kaya pusa.
Yan, welcome din po natin. Meron po tayong another doctor, Doc Liza. Thank you for joining us tonight. So before we begin, first I would like to welcome each and everyone. Thank you for your time to join us into another live session of Zoom. By the way, I'm Hannah. I'm your host for tonight. I'm a former director, I'm a former admin officer 5 of FDA and a wellness advocate for almost 20 years. Ayan, so ang dami na natin. So, I'm glad to see everyone. So, I'm very excited to welcome once again, of course, dun sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala. Our partner speaker for tonight is Medical Director of Integra Senza and a former Medical Director for European Wellness Philippines with 18 years as OB-GYN and consultant at Asian Hospital. So with over 30 years of medical experience, our doctor speaker for tonight is a highly respected and a true expert in bioregenerative and integrative medicine. So he has helped 1,000 of patients and people to overcome different types of illnesses, from hormonal imbalances to chronic disease. So, using natural method po and science-based solutions. So, I'm very proud to welcome none other than our speaker, Dr. Ariel Bayra. Welcome, fresh from US.
Hi everyone! Musta po kayo?
Din
So, ito na naman tayo. We're going back to what we do, no? Zoom lecture. So for today, I was tasked to explain, of course, one of our premier products, no? Which is, of course, our Ultima
Recording
Step
in
Plus,
progress.
no? So I'll talk about this, but before I do that, no, siguro i-share ko lang. Kasi sa tagal ko na pong nagbibigay ng mga lectures and talks, no, ang pinaka I consider my very dominant partner whenever I give lectures is my visuals, no? Yung PowerPoint presentation. Kasi I always feel na kapag merong nakikita ang tao, mas madaling nare-retain niya o naiintindihan niya. No? Hindi katulad kung magsasalita lang o 1, 2 oras, 3 oras, no? Baka wala kayong masyadong ma-retain. Because in doing so, pag meron tayong mga visuals, mas napapagaan, mas madaling maintindihan, and for some, they do some screenshots. Kasi siyempre, no, admittedly, minsan hindi mo kagad ma-retain lahat ng sinasabi ng speaker. So the best way to do it is, of course, to screenshot them. Then after the talk, you can always go back and review the slides. No? Kahit paano, you'll appreciate better and you will understand, no, the lecture much, much better. Okay, so before I do so, let me just share to you, no, the slide that I have. Saan ko na naman to? You know, pasensya na kayo, no? Mas, sabi ko nga lagi, mas gusto ko pang mag-opera ng pasyente kaysa magtutuldok-tuldok dito. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong tutuldokin ko. Anyway, it's in my... Wait, Nasaan ba siya? How do I go to my desktop?
Bumata nga siya.
Saan ba ako lalabas? Okay, yeah, I think. Ito na. Okay. So I would go to my... Yan. Okay, yan. Can everyone see? minimize ko lang yung ano, no? So, can everyone see this? Hello?
Yes po, Doc. Kita po.
Kita nyo?
Very clear po.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay. So, before we discuss our premier product, Ultima STEM Plus, let's get some simple understanding of what stem cell is, no? Kasi right now, as we speak, no, nagtitrend na yung stem cell. In fact, that is one reason why I went to the States to keep abreast of the latest developments in stem cell treatment. No, so we had my group were 6 of us, 3 doctors, 1 nurse, and 2 other allied professionals. No, we had a meeting with one company involved in stem cell in Taipei, Taiwan, before we went straight to California. And in LA, Los Angeles, California, we had another company, no, which introduced the latest developments in stem cell treatment. And then as the days go by, no, we went as far as Arizona, in Scottsdale, a little bit further from Phoenix, Arizona, where we had another meeting and lecture with another company involved in stem cell. So, dun pa lang nakikita natin na stem cell is getting to be a very, very big issue, no? Getting to be a very, very big topic for everyone. Why? Because when we talk of stem cells, we always connect it or associate it with what? Longevity. Paghaba ng buhay ng tao. Diba? Nobody in the entire world would want to die early. Siyempre, lahat tayo gusto natin mahanap tayo ng mga paraan para humaba yung ating buhay. Diba? Sabi ko nga in my previous talks, no? Meron tayong kasabihan, nasa Diyos ang awa, pero nasa tao ang gawa. We need to do our part para tulungan tayo ng ating Panginoon. No? And by doing so, we should be abreast. Dapat naka-align tayo sa mga nangyayari sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Most specifically, kung ano ba yung latest developments in stem cell treatment. Okay? And we're so lucky, as I always keep saying, kahit nung Saturday, when I was given the privilege to talk to a relatively large group of individuals, couples, no, na talagang na-excite ako eh. No? First and foremost, when I was offered by NanoCell to be part of their team, tinignan ko muna. The first thing that I went to is to see the products. And from each product, tinignan ko yung active ingredients. No? Kasi sa akin, I've been exposed to, I started mga multi-level marketing back in 2007. So matagal-tagal na. No? And during those times, vitamin C lang masyadong sikat eh. Dumami na yung vitamin C, naglagay na sila ng zinc. Pero if you try to look at it, ano ba yung kaibahan nung isang vitamin C sa company A, doon sa vitamin C ni company B, doon sa company C, at yung vitamin C sa company D? Halos pare-pareho lang kasi single component. Konting-konti lang diferensya. So it doesn't ring a bell anymore. Para din yan sinabi mo sa gamot, paracetamol, may Biogesic, may Tylenol, no? May Rexidol. Pare-pareho lang yun eh. Kasi single component, no? Ingredient lang siya. Pero when we come to appreciate and know na, meron palang mga produkto na napakaraming ingredients na hindi mo iisipin. First and foremost, we should be very thankful to Dr. Sheila Tiro, no, for coming out with an extraordinary product like our product Ultimate Stem Plus. Kasi when I was going through all the different active ingredients, I was really surprised. Kasi yung iba nga, hindi ako familiar. And I have to keep on reading, researching. No, ano ba itong mga ito? And for someone to come out with a combination such as our Ultima Stem Plus, it is something fantastic. No? It is something, pwede mo po sabihin, unimaginable. Simply because of the different, very exciting, no, not so common ingredients na combined in one supplement. Okay? So, yun lang as an introduction. No? I always feel excited, no, discussing a product like Ultima Stem Plus. So again, going back to ano ba yung Ultima Stem Plus, no? What are stem cells actually? Stem cells are specialized cells that can become any type of cell in the body. Meaning, pag siya ang perception ng stem cell, pag siya pumasok sa katawan natin, no, through whatever means, through the bloodstream, through oral route, through different routes that will get into our body system, then it can become a different type of cell, no? Primarily, ano ba yung gusto ng katawan natin? Ano yung kakailanganin natin? So that's the basic principle in stem cells, no? Strictly speaking, no, when we talk of stem cells, the introduction of stem cells should be the live stem cells inside the body. That's the very reason why ang hanga ko kay Dr. Sheila, because she keeps on saying na our Ultima Stem Plus is a stem cell activator, which is totoo naman, no? Because we have our own stem cell inside the body. It's just a matter of stimulating them. It's just a matter of making sure that they multiply and divide and transform into the cells that are needed by the body. Kasi maraming cells sa katawan natin tumatanda. Just like us, no? We every year we get older, no? But that doesn't mean na dapat tayo kasi may mga taong mahilig magsabi, matanda na ako, wala, kaya ako ganito eh. You should not. The chronologic age, di ba? Sabi ko nga doon sa previous talks ko in Zoom, the chronologic age is different from the biological age. Okay? So, these stem cells will help repair and regenerate damaged tissues and cells. So, pagka may damage na, we need to replace them. We need to repair them, no? In order to sustain a more energized overall health. Think of them as the body's natural repair system or thing. Okay. Now, there are different types of stem cells. Meron tayong tinatawag na embryonic stem cells, merong adult stem cells, and merong ginagawa sa laboratory, yung tinatawag na induced pluripotent stem cells. Now, ano yung embryonic stem cells? This can become any cell type, meaning any type of cell that is needed by the body. Kaya nga pluripotent. Pag sinabi natin pluripotent, it's the cell's ability to develop into multiple different types of cells, no? That will give rise to what? Various tissues and organs, no? So, if we talk about embryonic stem cells, comparing embryonic stem cells from adult stem cells, which is considered a multipotent. Ano yung kaibahan ng pluripotent sa multipotent? Ang multipotent, it can also differentiate. It's the ability of the cell to differentiate, meaning to transform into a limited number of cell types within a specific lineage or tissue. Meaning, restricted yung development potential. Kung yung pluripotent, ang ibig sabihin pwede siyang mag-transform into any cell type. Ang adult stem cell, pag sinabing multipotent, meron lang siyang sinusundan na particular tissue or organ. For example, blood. Sa dugo, no, multipotent, ibig sabihin pwede siyang maging red blood cells, pwede siyang maging white blood cells, pwede siyang maging platelets, pwede siyang maging neutrophils, pwede siyang maging lymphocytes. Ganun lang. Hindi na pwedeng mangyari na maging ibang cell types. So, mas limited yung tinatawag na development potential ng adult stem cell compared to embryonic. So, meaning, anong pinakamaganda? Naturally, the embryonic stem cell. That's the very reason why nagkaroon na ng tinatawag na induced pluripotent stem cells. Because they can be reprogrammed to become like embryonic stem cells. Para yung differentiation, yung transformation, no, ng pagiging cell mas broader. Kasi pwede siya maging liver cells, pwede maging kidney cells, pwede maging heart cells. Depende kung ano ang kakailanganin ng ating katawan. Okay? So how do they work? They usually replace damaged, old, age cells by becoming the needed type of cell. No? So, papalitan niya yung matanda ng cell, yung may diferensyang cell, into new, no, and vibrant cells. Okay? They also release what we call healing signals or growth factors. Ano ba yung tinatawag na growth factors? These are usually talagang mga proteins, no, which would play a crucial role in regulating, no, cell growth, division, and survival. Meaning these are essential for tissue development and immune response. That's the very reason why nakita natin dito, they would reduce inflammation, they would boost repair, no, yung reparative capability, no, na enhance, and of course support other cells. Now, it has been mentioned time and again na there is already a delaying effect of the process of aging. Just imagine at 28 years old, we start to regress in stem cell production. Nababawasan na yung stem cell production natin. And the stem cell therapy, of course, is absolutely needed. No? And there's no comparison, no, when we use human stem cells. Although nowadays, we come out with animal stem cell. We come out with plant stem cell. We come out with fruit stem cell. So there are different forms of stem cells that can stimulate, no, or regenerate into newer cells. Now, before we get into our main product, Ultima Stem Plus, no, it's but imperative to talk about the so-called 9 hallmarks of aging. Ano ba yung mga palatandaan o characteristic ng pagtanda ng tao? These are, makikita nyo on the left side, root causes of aging, not just the symptoms. Binabago na natin ang landscape, di ba? Sabi ko nga nung mga previous talks ko. We're trying to change the landscape of conventional medicine. Meaning, we're trying to get to the root cause of the problem. We just don't treat the symptoms. Kasi if we treat the symptoms, chances are, pabalik-balik yan. After a while, babalik na naman. No? Gagaling, after a while, babalik na naman. Kaya tuloy, yung ibang mga pasyente, parang they are accusing doctors na, ginagawa lang nila yan para bumalik tayo na bumalik, para kumita sila ng kumita. No? Because unfortunately, no, when we were students in the medical profession, in the medical course, iba yung orientation eh. No? Because that's the orientation based on the influence of pharmaceutical industry. the pharmaceutical industry is spending so much for research and any recent developments. But at the same time, they are able to influence the pattern and behavior of prescribing their products. No? Kumikita sila ng gusto. No? And we doctors are almost at the mercy of these big pharmaceutical companies. Anyway, as we age, these 9 cellular changes happen. DNA damage, telomere shortening, no? Epigenetic changes, protein damage, poor nutrient sensing, mitochondrial breakdown, senescent cells, lack of stem cells, and bad cell communication. It may sound a little bit foreign to some of you, no? Pero gusto lang natin sabihin na these are the changes that usually affect the process of aging. Bakit tayo tumatanda? Simply because of these cellular changes. Okay. Now, true anti-aging begins inside the cell. We always talk of the cell because it's the basic unit of life. In fact, we now get even deeper. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa mga previous talks ko, not only the cell, but we go beyond the cell. And that is that we talk of molecular basis. We talk of atoms. We talk of DNA. Mas lumalalim pa ng gusto. No? So, why target the 9 hallmarks of aging? By targeting them, we can slow down the aging at the cellular level. So, merong purpose of trying to understand yung mga palatandaan ng pagtanda ng tao. And we need to address them. That's the very reason why we identify these hallmarks of aging. So that we will be able to slow down the aging at the cellular level. And in so doing, because a lot of times, of course, not necessarily automatic, but a lot of times, when our cells are younger, then what happens? It is more energetic. It is devoid of possible chronic inflammatory reactions that would eventually lead to what? Diseases. So mas malakas sila, mas bata sila. So we expect less exposure and less experience or the actual process of getting sick. Increased energy and physical performance naturally would follow. It also protects the heart, the brain, and other vital organs. Very important. And of course, expectedly, it will strengthen the immunity, yung immune system natin, and subsequently reduce inflammation. Sabi nga natin, lahat ng sakit usually starts with an inflammatory reaction. It also will improve cell repair and regeneration. When we are able to repair damaged cells, the next subsequent process would be, of course, to regenerate them, to make them younger, make them more energetic, make them more responsive to their individual functions in the body. And of course, consequently, that will prevent or delay the age-related diseases. Sabi nga natin, nobody can guarantee na hindi tayo